days, you may be hearing a buzz about a rising star in the area of estate planning. Though it's been around for a while, there is a deed that can be used to help avoid some of the issues in settling estates. It's called by a few names: transfer on death deed, enhanced life estate deed, beneficiary deed, and the ladybird deed. A transfer on death deed allows a property owner to directly transfer the ownership of real estate at the owner's death to whomever the owner designates by name. It is a method for avoiding probate of real estate when the owner doesn't need the tax benefits of a trust. However, any estate taxes that may be due are not avoided. The owner owns the property until death, which means they can still borrow against it or transfer it. They also retain their homestead exemption and tax credits. And another advantage is that the home will be exempt from Medicaid claims during their lifetime, while at the same time enable the named persons to receive the home upon death free of Medicaid claims and liens. More than half the states now have laws that govern these deeds, and the laws vary. But to go along with what I just said, the beneficiary has no interest in the property until the owner dies, and the deed has no real effect on the present ownership of the property. It also has an advantage over adding the heir to the deed while you are alive, in that it can be revoked or changed without the heir's consent, and it doesn't create an asset for the beneficiary yet. If there are multiple owners, such as spouses, they can still create a transfer on death deed. The change will happen when the last one surviving dies, but in the meantime, the survivor can revoke the deed or change the beneficiaries against the wishes of the deceased owner. You may wonder where the term ladybird came from. The name seems pretty unrelated to death and deeds, but it is a nickname given to the deeds decades ago. Allegedly, President Lyndon B. Johnson once used this type of deed to convey some land to his wife, Lady Bird Johnson. With that little piece of trivia in mind, you can contemplate the advantages of this type of transfer and what it has to offer in your long-term planning. Thanks for joining me today.